the Arc de Triomphe is easily accessible. Underground tunnels from the outer edge of the roundabout make crossing the 12 lanes of traffic a breeze. Yes, you heard me right, 12 lanes. Once across, you emerge and you can finally begin to comprehend the scale of this monument to the indomitable spirit of France. While the arch was initially commissioned by Napoleon I in 1806, it wasn't completed for 30 years after many stops and starts along the way. Since then, it has stood as one of the most iconic symbols of France. A curved stairway of 284 steps wraps its way from the ground level to the top of the monument, with a few stops along the way. That's so cool. So in real time, it's got this movie screen here, and you can see down, into the thing. I wonder if this used to be open, and then people were idiots and threw stuff down or something, and now it's a video screen. That's very cool. See like a full-size model here of what the statues are outside, and it's just massive. Here, just stand up there so you can get a little perspective. Just the head is almost as tall as Jessica. They're just massive. Very cool. All right, now we're one floor higher than where we were. Of course, there's a gift shop because classic. They've got some interesting like videos playing, showing kind of some history and some information. They got a scale model over there. It's really big inside. Very cool. Once you finally emerge at the top of the monument, you will find all of Paris laid out before you. This is unbelievable, this view. All of Paris just kind of laid out. There's a lot of places in Paris where you can see, like from way up high, the entire city laid out. This is very cool though, at the top of the Arc de Triomphe.
This is me.
You can see Sacré-Cœur back there. The Eiffel Tower's over there.